Hey everybody, happy Aloha Thursday to you. One more day until we hit the weekend. Long weekend too, because we got a President's Day holiday coming up on Monday. Not an all-state holiday, so if you do need something on Monday, feel free to give our office a call. It is Thursday, so it's time for us to kind of check in, learn a little bit more about car insurance. So a little auto insurance 101 for you today. And then today we're going to talk about kind of what people might consider a lesser known coverage, or more like an auxiliary coverage on your auto insurance. And that's going to be something called rental car reimbursement. So rental car reimbursement comes into play when you lose use of your vehicle due to a covered loss. So it could be that your car was involved in a car accident, it could be a vandalism type situation, or it could be that your car is stolen. But essentially what rental car reimbursement will do is it will provide you payment. So you can either rent a vehicle, through Allstate. That's going to be through Enterprise, but can also give you repayment if you end up doing things like catching an Uber or riding the bus. In the year 2055, when the rail's finally completed, perhaps it can give you some payment for taking the rail. But anyway, this is a really useful coverage and an inexpensive coverage to add on, especially if you only have one vehicle. So if you're fortunate enough to be the only driver in your household, but you have 3 cars, well then this coverage may not be necessary. You lose use of one vehicle, hey boom, you just drive one of the other 2 cars. But if you are, if your household is 1 car per driver, or if you got more drivers than cars, then this might be something that you might take a look at adding on. Again, doesn't cost very much. Without this coverage, you probably will have to pay out of pocket for your rental vehicle or for your alternative transportation. Kind of the good old days when the body shops would hand you the keys and say, here's our loaner vehicle. Due to liability concerns, those days are pretty much gone. So if you have any questions about rental car reimbursement or alternative transportation coverage, give us a call here at the office. Again, this is not going to come into play, so it's not rental car coverage if you go down and if you go fly to Vegas and you jump in a Hertz. That's not going to cover that. But if you lose use of your vehicle due to a covered loss, this is where your policy can help you out. So any other questions on that, or any other questions on anything insurance related, give us a call, 808-689-9770. You can email me at mdixon@allstate.com. You can find me all over social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all that stuff. But yeah, feel free to ask any questions, and have a great rest of your Thursday. And I'll be talking to you again soon tomorrow about some life insurance and financial information. Have a good one.